this is your P10 mask. I'm going to show you how to put the headgear on there to get going with your CPAP usage. So your headgear has small little holes where the actual plastic piece is going to insert into the hole. So they're very small. What you're going to do is the first thing is you're going to pick up this and you're going to pull off your pillow piece and set it aside. Then you're going to take, and this goes gray side out. So you have a blue side and a gray side. So the gray side is going to be going out. And you're going to take this and you're going to feed it into those holes. Push it all the way down in there. And it goes inside it, not through it. It goes inside it. And you'll feed it all the way down. And then once you get down here, you have to pull it completely over this piece right here. So you should not see any more of the gray arm. So you're just going to pull it past and all the way past, and it's going to completely enclose it. So you're going to do that on both sides. Now pull it all the way down, turn it over, and then just pull it all the way past that little piece so it encapsulates over it. Now you're ready to stick your little nasal piece back on your pillow. It only fits on one way, so if it will not fit on initially, it's upside down. So there's a larger side and a soft side, so the larger side won't go in the top, and you can click it in together. When you're putting this mask on, you do have a left and right. So you see a L and R, that's how you know that you're putting it on correctly. So you're going to tape, and this goes into your nose. You're going to get a hold of the bottom strap, and then you are going to just pull that right over your head. Your mask straps should be one across the top and then one in the back. They should not be together. Many people put this on incorrectly by putting those straps together, and it will leak, and you'll have a hard time with a good seal. So one on top, one in the back, kind of around your crown. These go right in the nose here, and that is how you put on the P10 mask. So again, you want to make sure that you wash your mask, the whole mask, at least once a week in mild soap and water. You want to pull your nasal piece off and wash it daily. You can use soap and water, or you can actually use a non-alcoholic wipe, such as a CPAP mask wipe, and then just reconnect it. You do want to replace that pillow every 2 weeks, so you should have received some extras with your shipment that you can replace those with. And that's your P10 mask. So if you had any other issues or questions, just give us a call. We'll be glad to help you with anything.